look at us and wonder how we made it. Sacrifice and work hard to basics. Know that look on your face, you hate it. You hate it. And they look at us, wonder how we made it. Out here looking like the fucking greatest. I know that shit hurt when it's sinking in.
Begin to part the hair from ear to ear. Sectioning the hair off from the front to the back gives you control on molding and pressing. Begin to press from the back, working your way up.
They look at us and wonder how we made it. Sacrifice and work hard to basics. Know that look on your face, you hate it. You hate it. And they look at us, wonder how we made it. Out here looking like the fucking greatest. I know that shit hurt when it's sinking in.
Now I'm going to begin to line the back of my client's hair, giving her a more sharp, crispier look without the excess hair. I'm using witch hazel around the area that I actually trimmed, just so that she won't get an infection or receive any bumps. Now you're going to apply my premium beeswax around the edges to give it a more polished, shiny, sleek look while molding the ponytail.
Out here looking like the fucking greatest. I know that shit hurt when it's sinking in. Give, 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 till I can't give no more. Oh, try, 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 till I can't try no more.
You want to make sure that the ponytail is straight up forward with no lumps or bumps in the back, making it very tight and secure. To mold and hold the ponytail, you have to spray it with Pump It Up spritz or any type of holding spray you guys may have. You're going to begin to press the front perimeter part of your client's hair and throughout the hair as well, in between. Once you finish pressing the hair, brush it up all together, connecting it with the back part of the ponytail that's already
Try, till I can't try no more.
This style consists of no baby hairs and no excess hair being molded in the front. So you're just going to brush it straight up and blow dry it while spraying it to give it that more shiny, slick, sleek look that you're looking for. want to braid the ponytail, wrap it around in a ball, put a rubber band on it to secure the ponytail so that you can apply the weave. This clip-on ponytail can be done easily at home on your own. You just wanted to begin to clip the front part of the ponytail and bobby pin the rest going around the ball on top of your head. I'm going to now get some braiding hair and begin to braid some of the braiding hair to wrap around the base of her ponytail, giving it a more stylish, sleek, trendy look. To secure the braid, you want to bobby pin it in the back and begin to wrap it around the ponytail until the braid is ended. Now I'm going to begin to curl the ends of the ponytail to give it a little more volume, more bounce, and more shape. This look is complete. This hair that was used was alimony hair. I love their hair. It was tangled free. It was very soft, very flowy. You guys make sure you comment below and check out their websites to purchase their hair.